Hello everyone, hopefully you're having a good week. Just a few announcements to let you know about for this week. First of all, I just wanted to make a quick comment about the different section instructors we have for MDS 300. So Karina and I are co-teaching this course, and my responsibility, part of it, is to give you these weekly announcement updates. Other announcements specific to your section that you're in might be coming through email with Karina, so please watch out for those. The intention of these video announcements is to give you kind of an overall view of what's happening in the course, but if you have any specific questions, please contact your section instructor about those. Both of us, of course, could answer your questions, but it's good to first contact your section instructor before moving on to others. And we, as section instructors, do try to keep one another informed about emails we're getting, so keep that in mind as well. But hopefully between both of us, you will be able to get any questions you have answered, and any information you need we can supply. As you know, we are currently in Module 1, Section 2, Interpersonal Communication. So we're still trying to learn a little bit about what makes us tick as people and how we can use that in our surroundings. In this module, as you know, we had some textbook chapters to read, and then we talked about emotional intelligence, which basically is the ability to empathize with other people well, to understand what they're feeling and thinking. So hopefully the quiz that you took on that has given you some insight of how much of that emotional intelligence you carry. And then we wanted to use that to talk about how knowing your emotional intelligence and how others might have that or react to you, how that can be important in a college academic setting. So the discussion board, thank you for your thoughts and quiz results that you've shared so far on that, and keep the good work up. In Module 2, Section 1, which opens tomorrow, we'll continue with this theme, but we'll have a few more formal assessments that we will do, including a multiple intelligences test that we will take. Multiple intelligence is a little different from emotional intelligence. Multiple intelligence is a theory by Howard Gardner that he has identified at least 8 different ways people have natural skills or abilities to interact with each other, to interact with their surroundings, and not just textbook smarts, but other kinds as well. So we'll take a quiz that will gauge our multiple intelligences. And then the second thing we will do is take an assessment from the Career Center called the SIGI 3. And it's more of a career-oriented assessment, although even for those who are not looking to have another career after they graduate from this degree, it is still helpful to kind of give you insight into what your values are, what your priorities are, and where you might fit in a business world or in other careers in the nonprofit industry or wherever. So hopefully that will be helpful as well. You'll see the instructions in the module on how to take that assessment. And then we will talk about both multiple intelligences and the SIGI 3 assessment results on the discussion board for next module. Again, if you have any questions, let me know, or your section instructor. This next module is really the last one before we start turning our attention to the learning goals and the kind of things we want to accomplish by the time we graduate. So hopefully these first few weeks have helped you understand what kind of a person you are, what your strengths are, what areas you may need to work in to get stronger, and you can use all of that information as you set your learning goals and your really your life goal, at least a part of your life goal as it pertains to your academic work in the module after this one. If you have any questions, please please, as I said, contact your section instructor, and if we don't hear from you, we will definitely see you online.